Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is better for flexibility? Hey fitness enthusiasts, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to building core strength, sit-ups and crunches are often pitted against each other. But have you ever wondered which exercise is better for improving flexibility? Let's dive into the details to help you decide which one to incorporate into your routine. Sit-ups. The classic core workout sit-ups are a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including the hip flexors, lower back, and abdominal muscles. By involving a broader range of motion, sit-ups can help enhance overall flexibility as you lift your upper body off the ground and bring your chest towards your knees. Your spine undergoes a full range of flexion, which can improve spinal mobility and flexibility over time. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to main topic. Crunches. Focused and effective crunches, on the other hand, primarily target the abdominal muscles. While they don't engage the hip flexors or lower back as much as sit-ups, they still play a role in enhancing core flexibility by isolating the ABS and reducing strain on the lower back. Crunches can be a safer option for those looking to strengthen their core without compromising flexibility. Which one is better for flexibility? While both exercises have their benefits, sit-ups tend to be more effective for improving overall flexibility due to their full range of motion. However, if you're looking to focus solely on abdominal strength while maintaining flexibility, crunches are a great alternative. Incorporating both exercises into your routine can provide a balanced approach to building core strength and enhancing flexibility. Ready to unlock more fitness tips and workouts? Hit that like button and subscribe to stay motivated and inspired.